Morgan's surname in history presented by coadb.com. Surname meaning, it is an anglicized form of the Old Welsh name Morcant, a name of uncertain etymology, but possibly meaning see circle. Early bearers included John Morgan in Berkshire in 1214, Walter Morgan in Oxfordshire in 1273, and John Morgan in Glasgow, Scotland in 1419. Knighthoods, Sir William Morgan in 1513, Thomas Morgan of Wales in 1544, Richard Morgan, Chief Justice in 1553, William Morgan of Wales in 1574, Thomas Morgan in 1587, Mathew Morgan in 1591, Richard Morgan in 1599, Charles and Rowland Morgan of Herefordshire in 1603, Sir William Morgan of Tredegar in 1603, Sir Thomas Morgan of Glamorgan in 1623, Sir Lewis Morgan in 1629, Sir Anthony Morgan in 1642, Sir William Morgan in 1656, John Morgan in 1658, Sir William Morgan of Tredegar in 1725, Sir Thomas Charles Morgan, medical doctor in 1811, Sir Walter Morgan, Chief Justice in 1866, Sir Francis Morgan, Queen's Advocate in Ceylon in 1874, Sir William Morgan, Minister of South Australia in 1883, Sir Morgan Morgan in 1887, and also Sir Henry Morgan, privateer and Lieutenant Governor of Jamaica in 1674. Homes and estates include Tredegar House in South Wales, Ripura Castle, also in Wales, the Old Court in Monmouthshire, Wales, and Kinnersley Castle in Herefordshire, England. Noble titles held. Charles Morgan Robinson was a Welsh Whig peer and member of the House of Lords. He was created Baron Tredegar in 1859. And Godfrey Charles Morgan, a Welsh general, was elevated to the peerage as Viscount Tredegar in 1905. There's also the Morgan Baronetcy of Lanternum in the county of Monmouth, created in the Baronetage of England in 1642 for Sir Edward Morgan, a Roman Catholic supporter of King Charles I. Another Morgan Baronetcy created in the Baronetage of England in 1661 for Major General Sir Thomas Morgan, who was Governor of Gloucester. The Morgan Baronetcy of Green Street, Grosvenor Square in the parish of St. George, Mayfair, City of Westminster, in the county of London and of Lincoln's Inn, was created in the Baronetage of the United Kingdom in 1892 for the Welsh lawyer and Liberal politician Sir George Osborne Morgan. Landed gentry included Morgan of Golden Grove in County Flint, and Morgan of Biddleston Park in County Buckinghamshire. Notables include Anne Morgan, an English official who was appointed to the office Keeper of Somerset House and also served Queen Elizabeth as a Lady of the Privy Chamber. William Morgan, Fellow of the Royal Society, born 1750, was a Welsh physician, physicist, and statistician who is considered the father of modern actuarial science. William Morgan, Member of Parliament for Brecon in Wales. William Morgan, a Member of Parliament for Brecon in Wales. John Pierpont Morgan, Sr., born 1837, an American financier and investment banker. And early settlers included William Morgan in Virginia in 1610, Thomas Morgan in Virginia in 1618, Joan Morgan in Virginia in 1618, Benedict Morgan came to Massachusetts in 1621, Margaret Morgan came to Massachusetts in 1623, Edmund Morgan, Virginia in 1623, and Henry Morgan to Maryland in 1635. And if you enjoyed this video, please visit us at coadb.com where we offer genealogy research. Link in the description. Thank you very much.